Welcome to the SimWorkshop instrument display set. This video will guide you through device connection, display configuration, and software installation.
After connecting the USB Type-C power cable and HDMI cable, open your display settings. The instrument display should now appear as a connected monitor. Select the display and verify that the resolution is set to 1920 by 550. Next, open the Taskbar Settings menu. Under Taskbar Behaviors, turn off Show My Taskbar on all displays. Next, visit our official website and download the Texture Extractor configuration tool from the Downloads page. During the download process, your browser may ask you to select Keep. Please rest assured that the software is completely safe and will not affect your computer or personal data in any way. In addition, you will also need to download the Texture Extractor plugin developed by Wayne1234 from forums.x-plane.org. Once the download is complete, extract the Texture Extractor plugin and copy it into the Resources/Plugins folder inside your X-Plane installation directory. Please remember this path, as it will be required during configuration. Next, install the Texture Extractor configuration tool. We recommend installing the software on a non-system drive and enabling the desktop shortcut option for easier access. Next, launch the Texture Extractor configuration tool. Select the appropriate Texture Extractor plugin path based on your version of X-Plane. This should be the same directory you previously copied into the Resources/Plugins folder. Once configured correctly, the status indicator will turn green whenever the corresponding version of X-Plane is running. Next, we'll use the FF777-300ER as an example. Once the aircraft has finished loading, you should see the Texture Extractor window in the lower left corner of the simulator. Select the configuration profile for your aircraft and click Configure. The software will then display a preview image of the aircraft instruments. In some cases, the preview image may appear completely black, just like in this video. If this happens, simply click the CL numbered button in the Texture Extractor window to reload the textures. Then repeat the previous steps, and the full instrument preview should display correctly. For easier window selection, we recommend maximizing the software window before configuring the panels. Next, select the 3 instrument areas you want to pop out and assign a name to each one. In this example, we created 3 panels, PFD, ND, and ICAS. Once finished, uncheck the All option in the panel on the right and click Save. Then reload the aircraft to apply the new configuration. After reloading the aircraft, the 3 instrument panels you created will appear in the lower left corner of the simulator. Click the pop-out button for each panel, then drag the windows onto the SW instrument display. Adjust the size and position of each window to match your preferred layout. Once all 3 windows are aligned correctly, click the SB button to save their positions. Then click the H button to hide the window borders. Next, open our software and enable iTitle bar to remove the title bars and status bars for a cleaner display experience. Some aircraft may include more than 3 instrument windows by default. Since the display system currently supports up to 3 windows at the same time, unnecessary panels can be disabled manually. Simply open the software and select the configuration profile for the aircraft. In this example, we are using the ZIBO 737. Uncheck the panels you do not want to display, then save the configuration profile. After reloading the aircraft, the disabled instrument windows will no longer appear. We hope you enjoy a more immersive flight simulation experience. Thank you for using SimWorkshop.